ग्लोब।
एक टर्म इसमें है नवरत्नोस। Navratnas. So we are talking about privatization and disinvestment. So privatization means to remove strict control over privatization and leave private sector free for decision making. And it also means to sell off, to leave those industries to the private sector which are in the hands of the government sector. So selling off of private sector enterprises to the private sector. When government sells its industries, corporations to the private sector. Sale of government enterprises to the private entrepreneurs or withdrawal of government ownership and management from mixed enterprises. Selling of those industries which are completely in the hands of government to the private sector, and also selling of those industries which are partly owned by the government. So both the cases means disinvestment. So disinvestment is a variant of privatization. It is a component of privatization. It is a situation when government sells off its share capital to the private sector, to the private investors. So why we go for the disinvestment? We go for this disinvestment to improve production, to improve management efficiency, and to facilitate, to introduce modernization, modern technology in the enterprise, in the enterprises, in the industry. Now, there are so many industries or corporations in the hands of the government. A group of industries whom we call Navratnas. What are Navratnas? Navratnas.
Group of industries.
Navratnas. Navratnas. It's a group of 9 industries. It is a group of
9 industries.
9 industries. 9 industries in India, which are controlled
by government,
owned and managed by government. Managed by government. Why we take these 9 industries? We compare, these industries are compared with 9 courtiers. Courtiers. Courtiers means those persons who are in the court of a king. Courtiers are those persons who are assisting the king, जो बादशाह को मदद करते. It is Navratnas. It is compared. तो कोई अगर ये पूछे कि why they are called Navratnas? Navratnas means 9 bigs.
9 group of industries.
Now means 9. Ratnas means persons. Good persons. Wise persons. Navratnas. It is compared with 9 courtiers. With 9 courtiers. 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 In the court of King Vikramaditya. In the court of King Vikramaditya. Vikram Aditya. Vikram Aditya. Vikram Aditya was a king who has 9 persons in his court. So Vikramaditya's court was managed by 9 persons, जिनको हम वजीर कहते हैं. ये मना वजीर है, मना मिनिस्टर. Who were, yes, who were men of eminence, who were men of eminence and real wisdom. Eminence
and real wisdom.
यस एंड रियल विजडम, जो बहुत दाना लोग थे।
जी सर।
ये 9 लोग जो हैं, जो 9 आदमी थे विक्रमादित्य के कोर्ट में, ये जबरदस्त, ये दाना थे, अक्लमंद थे, इंटेलेक्चुअल थे। These 9 industries are, what are these 9? ये इन्हीं के नाम पे हमने 9 इंडस्ट्रीज को नाम रखा है नवरत्नास, 9 courtiers और 9 wise persons, 9 efficient persons in the court of Vikramaditya. King, king, K-I-N-G, King Vikramaditya. These 9 industries are क्या क्या इसमें आता है? इंडियन ऑयल कॉर्पोरेशन, नंबर 1, इंडियन ऑयल कॉर्पोरेशन, IOC जिसको हम कहते हैं, इंडियन ऑयल कॉर्पोरेशन। नंबर 2, BPCL, भारत पेट्रोलियम कॉर्पोरेशन लिमिटेड, BPCL। नंबर 2, BPCL, भारत पेट्रोलियम कॉर्पोरेशन, CORPORATION, कॉर्पोरेशन लिमिटेड, ठीक है। 3rd है इसमें ONGC, ऑयल एंड नेचुरल गैस कॉर्पोरेशन, ऑयल एंड नेचुरल गैस कॉर्पोरेशन। नंबर 4 है SAIL, SAIL, Steel Authority of India Limited, Steel Authority of India Limited, Steel Authority of India Limited। BHEL, number 5th, BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited। अब कितना है? 6th, IPCL, 6th, IPCL, Indian Petrochemicals Corporation Limited, Indian Petrochemicals Corporation Limited, Indian Petro Corporation Limited। नंबर नेक्स्ट है VSNL, विदेश संचार निगम लिमिटेड, VSNL। 7th, VSNL, विदेश संचार निगम लिमिटेड, विदेश संचार निगम लिमिटेड, विदेश संचार निगम लिमिटेड। 8th है NTPC, NTPC, ये क्या चीज है? NTPC, नेशनल थर्मल पावर कॉर्पोरेशन, नेशनल थर्मल पावर कॉर्पोरेशन। इसी तरह नेशनल थर्मल पावर कॉर्पोरेशन। 9th है HPCL, हिंदुस्तान पेट्रोलियम कॉर्पोरेशन लिमिटेड, HPCL, हिंदुस्तान पेट्रोलियम Corporation Limited. So these are 9 industries named as Navratnas. named after the 9 courtiers of King Vikramaditya, who were men of eminence and real wisdom, who were wise persons in the king of Vikramaditya. So these 9 industries were named after these 9 persons. Navratna. Government from time to time sell these industries to the private sector, partly or wholly. So that is privatization. So Navratnas has often been quoted by the government as epicenter of growth in the Indian economy. So these are very big industries in the hands of the government, which are taken or considered as engine of growth. It is not denying the fact that these enterprises brought about an exemplary shift in the concept of industrialization in the economy. These enterprises served not only as significant source of employment, but also as an infrastructural base that induced private investment in diverse areas of industrial growth. So in wake of privatization, the government had initially thought of disinvestment of Navratnas as well. But owing to a stiff political resistance, it is now decided to develop Navratnas as global players in their respective areas of industry. So government was also thinking to sell these industries to the private sector, but due to opposition, they were not privatized. These industries were not privatized, named as Navratnas. These 9 should not be privatized. So this is all about the privatization. But we can say most of public sector enterprises started emerging and social deadweight or a social liability rather than serving as entire epicenter of growth and development, mounting losses. So whenever we see a public sector enterprise, we incur losses because of inefficiency, because of low production, low revenue, deficit in these enterprises, leakage, pilferage, inefficiency, and corruption had become so rampant in public sector undertakings that their privatization was considered as the only alternative. तो जब भी कोई पब्लिक सेक्टर इंडस्ट्री घाटे में चल रही है तो गवर्नमेंट कंपेल हो जाती है टू sell it to the private sector. Accordingly, in 1991, the government decided to phase out public enterprises by selling it as equity to the private enterprises. Privatization was to replace public ownership of a large number of enterprises. However, in view of their efficient performance, Navratnas were to be kept out of the limits of privatization. So these 9 were kept outside privatization. Government decided not to sell these industries. Navratnas were to be kept out of the limit of privatization. Indeed, the government decided to upgrade their functional freedom with a view to enhancing their competitive strength. So this is the concept behind the privatization. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So, 2 points आप लिख लीजिए, 2-3 points measures taken for privatization. ये लिख लिया आपने नवरत्नास?
जी सर, मैंने लिख लिया.
So privatization generally means to give boost to the private sector, to give more ownership and freedom to the private sector, decrease the share of government sector. Yeah. Measures taken in favor of privatization. Measures taken in favor of privatization. Yes. Privatization को prevail करने के लिए, introduce करने के लिए क्या-क्या measures लिए गए? Number first, reduction of public sector industries. Reduction of public sector industry. Public sector industries or enterprises. Enterprises. That is PSUs. PSUs का शेयर जो है वो कम हो गया. that has been decreased. Those industries were sold to the private sector. Increase the share of private industries in our economy. Increase the share of private sector industries in the economy. इसी तरह selling the share of public sector to the private sector. Selling the share of public sector, that is government sector, enterprises to private sector, to private players or private entrepreneurs. इसी तरह फोर्थ क्या है? That is disinvestment. Introducing disinvestment. Introducing disinvestment of PSUs. So these are the measures which were taken in favor of privatization. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will discuss the globalization.
Globalization.
Yes, yes.
जी sir.
Thank you very much.